be scared of peanut butter and banana. You are the real person, Yota. Banana ice cream? I prefer medicine taste banana. Sweet Mario, hey. Wait, 何が？すごい。何がすごいの？ Pardon your language. You like banana ice cream? This is vanilla. I see for its flavored ice on the. はい。わかった。ホップスティック。Perspective no disrespect. そう。Just one. Banana key. But I can eat banana chips, but I can't eat normal one, the natural one. だって it's so グニグニ the onomatopoeia グニグニ it's the なんつうんだろう it's so squishy, it's so soft, and sometimes we feel pulp. I'm so hungry. Sweet, squishy, so soft, and guju. And sometimes feel pulp. Too much information in my mouth. So. Banana spritz. Yeah. So da. Philippine banana is the best. Yeah, not gonna lie. That's what we call it. Icy ball. Hey. Okay. Jitro sama. Okay. Banana flavor tequila. Daikiri and almost puked. Wait. I had a blue banana, green banana alcohol the last time in Shibuya. It was okay. Yeah. Banana chocolate milkshake very good. Really? Chroma, you like it? You understand life. Go. やばい本当 Tequila and banana. It's a bad combination. Worst combination for me. I don't like tequila. Especially the smell. The smell makes me puke. I'm hungry and angry. What's that? I acceptable if only banana syrup or banana alcohol, but if it's used actual banana, fresh banana, I will be very something. Okay, Niam. いってらっしゃいな。多分 maybe especially smells reminds me of some bad memories. So when I was a uni student, I worked at a bar, and the bar owner was pretty crazy. He was crazy, and the celebration for first anniversary to open, he gave every customer free tequila. Tequila makes me shoot a ghost. I know, it's crazy. So almost them all are blacked out, and some customer puked on the floor and then they lay down on the ground. We were all zombies, but I was not too strong, so sometimes I had a water instead of tequila, so that's why I didn't die so hard. That master was crazy. But the celebration first anniversary, the owner changed his mind. Hey Sayu, did I wrong? I said, maybe. I decide next 2 years anniversary, I will never done again the same things, he said. Yeah, it's good, cool, but I was working, so for staff it's nightmare. It was a nightmare. I used to drink jobs to go. Hey, I used to drink tequila is only what made me spin hard. Never ever touched it because of the bad experience. Yeah, I know. Clean up this was sick at the party. He was also sleeping up and picking up on turn. He's like true. It's so gross. What? It is what it is. It's a good memories in your Japanese memories. 知らんけど。Position is serious. いや確かに。ちょっと待って。It's serious problem. Clean up his little Japanese boy's puke at the party. He was also sleeping upright and picking up turned him on his side. そう。He is almost choked ってこと？It's almost choked by his puke. それは確かにやばいね。いやー、それは大変。いや、you saved his life. Not gonna lie. You saved his life. Yeah. Sounds like a bad way to go. 確かにね。トイレって多分トイレあるかな。It does. I wanna reduce a little of my something. Kawaii. Yeah, 濡れてる。やった。い Yeah, it's a cattail. Cattail. Also, look, can you see that? It's a paw. The cat paw. And this is the cattail shaped donut.